Good morning, my dear children. Each sunrise brings a new day with a new hope for a new beginning. But why I am talking about sunrise today? It's because our today's topic is about advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Today we shall learn about advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Children, every day the sun rises 2 minutes early and 2 minutes delay is there in the actual sunset. But what do we mean by actual sunset and sunrise? If you consider this to be as earth and the outer circle to be the atmosphere, there is a person which is drawn, a figure is drawn, and that is an observer, a person who is standing on the surface of the earth. A line which is straight line passing from the point of the observer, that is the line of horizon. When the sun is down from the line of horizon, at that time the observer will not be able to see the sun. For the observer, the sun will not have risen. For the observer, the sun rises only when the observer is able to see. And when will that happen? When the sun is above the horizon. I have marked 1 and 2 number for marking the position of the sun. There are no two suns shown over here. It is the position of the sun below the horizon first, and then sun is slowly rising upward. So when we say that the sun has risen and there is a morning, this the time of the morning that the sun has rises, at that time the sun is above the line of horizon. The line of horizon, children, this is not, you cannot see the line of horizon, but wherever you stand on the surface of the earth, from there the line of sight that decides the line of horizon. Now see children, this is the actual position of sun, and when the light from the sun it crosses the horizon, the light from the sun, they go in every direction. You can see here I have marked these lines and they show that the light from the sun, they will go in every possible direction that they can go. And from one of those direction we have taken one of the light ray which is passing like this, and the light ray surely they should have crossed, but then as soon as they enter the earth atmosphere they bend. Here they bend toward the normal, and after that they again bend when they enter the second or the another final layer of the atmosphere. I have drawn here only 2 layers of atmosphere, but here this is only for understanding, children. And the after the bending of the light, you can see that the light rays have come toward the observer. So from there, if the line is proceeded in the backward direction, that is the dotted line, then in that condition the sun, the position of the sun, it's the false position that we see. So it's the false position that we see, that is the apparent position of the sun. And because of this only we are able to see the sun, the person will be able to see the sun, and for that person the sun has risen. So the sun rises only when it crosses the horizon level, but in actual the sun is below the horizon. So there is a time gap of 2 minutes every day. There is a time gap of 2 minutes early sunrise, and the same thing, children, happen for early sunset also. If you consider this not to be the sunrise and actual sunset, then the same thing happens, that the light from the sun goes down the horizon. That means the sunset has already taken place, but after that also the light from the sun which reaches the atmosphere, they bend, they reaches the observer eye, and then the observer is able to see the sun, although the actual position of the sun is below the horizon. So sun has already gone down, but we are able to see the apparent position of the sun, that is the false position of the sun. So the sun that we see is not the real sun that we are able to see of this actual position. It is because of its false position. And what is the cause of all the thing that is being explained right now? The cause is due to the atmospheric refraction. There is another phenomena, another interesting thing that you see every day. If you have seen sunrise and sunset, and if you have observed it closely, you must have observed that the sun appears bigger at the time of sunrise and sunset, whereas at the time of noon, it does not appears to be that much bigger. It appears to be perfectly round in shape and smaller in size. Whereas at the time of sunrise and sunset, it appears to be little bit oval in shape, little bit tapered in shape. So the actual reason, the cause of this particular event is because of atmospheric refraction. Let us see. So as you can see here, the sun which is drawn here from the sun after the sun has risen, the light from the top part of the sun, from the bottom part of the sun, and from all the parts of the sun, that is from the periphery of the sun, when it hits the earth atmosphere, then they do not bend at an equal angle. You can see there is a difference in the bending of the angle at here and at this particular point. So when they reaches the observer's eye, at that time the sun appears to be little bit not perfectly round in shape, but they appears to be little bit bigger, and they appears to be little bit tapered in shape. They also travel a longer distance during this particular time. Now at the time of the noon, whereas when the sun is at the noon time, when the sun is just above your head, at that time the light that comes from all the part of the sun, that is from again from the periphery of the sun, you can see they come parallelly and they hit the surface perpendicularly. So very less amount of refraction, and almost we can say negligible amount of refraction takes place, because of which the light does not bend that much, and most of the time it does not bend also. So most of the light rays, they do not bend, and some of the light rays they slightly bend, which does not take part to that level, high level of refraction, and therefore we see the perfectly disc shape of the sun. So this is because of this reason, the sun appears to be perfectly round in shape at the time of noon, but at the time of the sunrise and sunset, it appears to be completely bigger in shape. So based on atmospheric refraction, there are these events we have seen. This is wavering, twinkling of stars, apparent position of stars, advanced sunrise and delayed sunset, and oval shape of sun at sunrise and sunset. The notes will be provided in the PDF file. Please fare them up in the copy, in your fair copy. Keep studying, children. Thank you.